Good evening, friends. Myself Shankar Maheshwari here. So today I'm going to start with Python. See, basically अगर आप देखने जाओगे कि Python for data analyst, Python for data scientist, it is very much important. So basic step to go ahead, Python में before starting a Python, we have to download the Jupyter notebook library. Okay, so there is on my screen, see, you can say the Anaconda navigator. The complete step by step guidelines I will give you step by how to download the Anaconda and which environment have to select, entire thing. You just DM me, I will just share with you. So we are just starting with the Python. So we use the Jupyter notebook. We will use the Jupyter notebook over here. So I'm just starting with the Jupyter notebook. So just start with the Jupyter notebook. Just starting with Jupyter notebook. Run as an administrator. See, entire process I will explain step by step. I will forward you the how to step by step procedure. So before moving ahead, I have started the Jupyter notebook. Page is running. See how the Jupyter notebook, it is already installed. That's let's look like that. Once Jupyter notebook started, I will explain you some theory part also. With the same, see now Jupyter interface, Jupyter notebook started. Now move ahead. Yes, it's got started. So first day what we have studied, sorry, it's coming. We'll start with the practice one. Say entirely practice one made by me entirely. So practice one will start. See, basically this is called as markdown cells. What is variable? What is a variable? Variable is a container which is highly case sensitive. It is highly case sensitive. See, Python को 1981 में गाइडो रेसम ने बनाना स्टार्ट किया था. He started in the year of 1981 and just developed in 1990. So it is, उसने क्या किया, गाइडो ने इसे इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बहुत करीब रखा हुआ है. पाइथन को इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बहुत करीब रखा हुआ है. तो इसमें जैसे कि नाउ व्हाट इट इज अ वेरी केस सेंसिटिव लैंग्वेज. सो सपोज what is variable and what is a container. Variable is a container, is highly case sensitive. Suppose a is given to us 101 and b is given to us is 222 and answer, we have to print answer is equal to a plus b. So we have to print the, see, normal first step. So I'm just putting it down. So I'm just print जो भी अपन कॉमा करके इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में रख के हेलो वर्ल्ड लिखते हैं. चलो हेलो वर्ल्ड, अभी इसको प्रिंट कराना है. शिफ्ट एंटर, हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट हो गया. अगर इसमें आपको if you have to put underscore, you can also put underscore over here and you have to print then hello world, whatever you are going to print that comes under. फिर से once again इसके नीचे और एक ले लेते हैं अपन, we will take one more below. Now we have to suppose a is a variable, its value is 222 and b is another variable, एक टोकरी है b, its b is equal to 111. So answer is equal to a plus b. So now normally what we'll do, we just print over here, print answer, that's it, shift enter. So answer came 333. See, like this. If we change the value, suppose b is 555 and again we'll do shift enter, answer is 777. So it's very case sensitive language, so you have to write like this. There are the various types of data, there is a various types of data in it. See, integer has a value like 12. The various types of data like integer value, floating data, boolean, different types of the data type is there. So suppose x is equal to 200, if I am writing x is equal to 200, so that is a integer value. It has a value, so it is integer value. Y is equal to, it's strings. If we write something like name like Shankar, then it is string, it's called a string. If we write the decimal, we'll write the decimals in decimal, that is floating, means that is floating. If you write decimals like 100.50, that is z, so decimal is if we write in decimal, so it says a decimal, then it's called as floating value. Then if it is like boolean value, true or false, see, true and false, that is an exception, it is a boolean value. So p is equal to true and q is equal to, see, we had studied the real and imaginary in mathematics, real and imaginary values. So 23 plus 9 j, see, like this. So if we have to print x is a integer value 200, y is equal to Shankar, that is floating, that is strings. Y is equal to Shankar, if we want to print, so it's a strings, and if decimal, then it's floating, it changes floating. And true or boolean means true or false. If we write true or false, it is boolean value. And for complex number we have studied in the mathematics. Okay, so complex, if we write as a 23 plus 6a, real plus imaginary, we have studied earlier in mathematics at third or fourth standard maybe, real value and imaginary value. So if we want to print all this thing, shift enter, then the answer would be whatever answer x, this is the variable, x variable, y variable, z variable, p variable and q variable. Whatever we are putting, x variable is 200 integer value, then y is a string, okay, then full floating, that is decimals, that floating, boolean means true or false, and complex number where we can real and imaginary part. So this we have covered. Now we are going forward. See, if s is a one variable, एक टोकरी आप बोल सकते हो, टोकरी में a है, एक वेरिएबल b है, दूसरा वेरिएबल, अगर उसका प्लस करना है, we have to add back this. So if suppose s is a complex number, 23 plus 8 real number, imaginary number means 2x, 3x, 5x, whatever we had done in mathematics. So now real number and imaginary number. So s is equal to 23 plus 8j, t is equal to 34 plus 9j. So now print s plus t. So 23 plus 34 is 57 plus 17j. So this is the answer. If we want to change, if we writing over here 53 plus, we'll check whether Python is working or not. Okay. Okay. Shift enter. 97 and 8 is 16. So it is correct answer. So this is what we have started, and we are closing this session. In next session we'll move forward with few more examples. Thank you so much.